Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video
Please subscribe to our channel.
and share with everyone. Hello everyone. Today we're making cook-up rice, or all-in-one. It's traditionally it's a Guyanese dish. It's a one-pot dish and it's very easy to make. And typically we make it on the weekend. So here we go. Today is Sunday. You need coconut milk to make this. You either go with the canned coconut milk or you go with fresh coconut. We choose to go with fresh coconut. So let's do this.
Turn the glass the other way before you get accident.
You're professional cutlass handler. If you're not professional, then you turn it the other way. See, we got a nice fresh coconut here. I'm gonna be grating this and show you guys that, and then we'll get on with the cooking. I'm also gonna do some fried snapper with cook-up rice. You can, I know a lot of people put beef, chicken, or whatever meat you have, right? You can put it in, or you can top it off with some nice fried fish. In this case, I got some nice snapper fish. I'm gonna top it off with that.
Fresh.
Yep, fresh off the Atlantic. You can't get any fresher than that. Alright, so let's go. Jenna, you gonna help with the grating? What is Jenna doing? See what Jenna is doing there. Check out Jenna.
Jenna, why are you hiding? Peekaboo! What you doing, Jenna?
I'm in the hammock.
Swinging away?
No slippers.
Okay. Enjoy. Take a nap.
And here, I got the grating going. Let's see where I'm out for grate this thing here. Rita does like me walk hard on a Sunday. You know we can use coconut milk, right? They can, man.
Yeah.
So you can use in your cook-up rice, you can use provision, cassava, plantain, aloo, and mostly you gotta use peas, right? You gotta soak that overnight, and then you put it into, bring it to a boil. So to make cook-up rice, even though it's a simple meal, you just gotta, you know, prep yourself and be ready. All right, so let's get this thing going.
You doing good?
Want to try?
No, thank you. And we're using white rice. We're not making a lot. We also make some chicken curry and rice for the kids. And we got some cassava. I'm only using one plantain. And we have here all the peas.
That's the peas
Black
that we
eye.
soak.
Yeah, black eye and chana.
So that's ready to go.
You're doing good, Krishna. You're doing good. I wonder if you could use the hucks after and make sugar cake. No, right?
You're not gonna get anything good out of it once you squeeze out the juice. You're gonna do with the hucks. The
Eat it
hucks
with,
is
eat it with sugar.
yeah, you can put sugar and eat it. Jenna is gonna try that today. You gonna try some of that, Jenna?
I have no idea what you just said.
So yes, guys, I got my water warmed up here. I'll come to a boil. I got onion here. I'm going into a lot of onion. We like onion. I got green seasoning from my garden, pimento pepper from my garden, and some garlic.
From your garden too?
Garlic? No, garlic come from England.
And let's plant everything.
You gotta start planting garlic so someone can produce your own. We never try it though. Try onion already. But let's see. So next I have cassava and plantain. Like I said, you can go in with yam, aloo, whatever you like, right? So we just keep it to these two. And we're gonna let this boil for a little bit. So this is the secret here to the cook-up rice seasoning. This is the best seasoning, right? So put a decent amount. And this is gonna give it a nice flavor for it. Next I'm gonna do my fried fish along with this cook-up, so when it's finished we'll have both ready at the same time, ready to go. Like I was saying earlier, some people choose to cook their chicken inside of it, or if you got beef you can put it in. You can put sardine if you want to flavor it up. It's a very simple dish, like I was saying, and you know, it's very flavorful. I'm also adding in some pink Himalayan salt here for taste. Let's see what we got here. Take a look inside, see how this is coming along.
Looking good.
So I got my coconut milk here. See how it comes out after I grate it? I wash it out and I strain out the husks, and this is the milk I got here. Can't get fresher than this, right? Boil here. I got my plantain and cassava boil. I'm going in with my rice. I'm using white rice for this. You can use any rice you want, prefer, right? I choose to go with white rice. I feel that gives it a better flavor, but that's my choice, right? You guys can use whatever you like. And on this side, see, this is coming out along real nice here. On this side, I have one plantain extra, so I said let me fry it, make some chips for the kids, and then I'll start frying my fish. So this is coming along.
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
You
There
can't
you
go
go.
wrong with that.
Yeah, yeah. So this is my coconut milk that I grate and wash here. Pour this in. And the coconut milk will give it a nice flavor. Let the rice stay loose. We like to make the cook up like a little bit, what do you call it? Wata wata, as they say. Some people like it dry. Depends on what you like, right? I like it with a lot of water. Especially if you drink from last night or the day before. It helps you to recover, I believe. So I got my nice fresh snapper fish here, seasoned up. I'm going to fry this here. This will go nice with the cook-up rice. I'm not adding it in the cook-up rice, I'm taking it from top. Like I said, some people put sardine inside, you can put chicken, beef, you can all cook it inside with the dish, but I'm going with this separate.
Fish and chips, you can't go wrong.
Fish, chips, and beer. So I'm gonna go with some fresh poi bhaji for the cook up here, right out the garden, from the garden into the pot, right? Let's get the big one first. Look at this one, size.
Oh my god. Your wife real can plant. You can know she from Blackbush.
Okay, take credit for it, no problem.
Oh man, don't do me like that. Got some huge one here.
I got some huge one on this side too.
Mm-hmm. Get it, boy.
Wow.
Like the point. You can never go wrong with vegetables.
Yeah, and organic, right?
Yeah.
No fertilizer, no drugs.
You can tell, me can tell that you didn't plant this thing. You take so long to pick the leaf.
I want to go gentle with these plants. I don't want to rough it up.
Mm-hmm.
The first set of fried fish is done here. See, this is looking real nice here. Look at this.
Yum.
Yep.
I can't wait to try it.
Come on, let's try.
Yeah, okay. Come.
Cheers.
My lemon tree.
So yes, guys, me and my brother is gonna review this here. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Okay, try the fish. Try the fish.
Look for the bone.
Be careful with the bone.
Very flavorful. Very good.
Enjoy.
Rice, see how it's coming out here? It's almost done. I got some black cayenne chana that was boiled already. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. If you want, you can boil that together with everything, but we pre-boil it, right? And then we put it in. This is looking real good here. We add some cashew to give it some color. So let me show you the cashew that we use. So this is the cashew all the way from Guyana.
It's Dave's
Cashew.
brand.
This is optional, it's just to give it a little bit of color. You don't have to use this.
The fish still going.
Yeah, this is the last step. I finished most of it already.
The rest is over here.
So this is the cook-up rice here. It's done. I got some pepper here, fresh real pepper from the garden. And then I also got this here, also from the garden, right? Garnish this with this. Man, look at this. And see, this is a very simple dish, right? Easy as 1, 2, 3. Anybody can make this, right?
Throw everything in the pot.
Throw everything in the pot and let it boil. It's not complicated.
Lazy Sunday.
Lazy Sunday. But good food, good food. When you eat this, you sleep good. Or some people can make them restless, right?
Sleep is
If
not
you
a
eat
problem
this,
for us.
if you eat this in the middle of the day, after you finish eating this, you want to take a nap. I guess if you eat it late at night, it gives you a hard time to go to sleep, right? But like Rita is saying, sleeping is not a problem. Waking up is a problem for us here.
So I'm gonna eat some chicken curry and roti.
Dal puri.
10 out of 10. Tastes good, flavorful.
Enjoy. Yeah, so the kids are not eating cook-up, so we did some chicken curry for them. We got Ethan here. Of course, Ethan gonna say 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Enjoy, Ethan.
And look what I got here. This is my plate with cook-up rice, or all-in-one. Got my fish here. I got my pimento pepper. I also got wiri pepper. Let's dig in. This is very, very good. Can't get better than this, right? Let me try it with the fish. Cook up rice and fish. Can't go wrong with this, right? And this here, everything is well boiled and soft. If you not get plenty teeth, this is perfect for you.
You just swallow, right?
You don't need to chew too much. Effortless eating. Like Rita was saying, this food, if you eat it late at night, sometimes it makes you restless, but you know, it's not gonna affect us. Let me try the pepper.
Flavor.
Let me try some, what is this? Cassava? Even the cassava boil all the way down.
You did a good job. I give Aida a cheers.
Round of applause.
Yee!
And guys, this is a vegetarian dish, right? If you're not eating fish or meat, you can do this as a vegetarian dish. I'm saying this because I have some of the guys from my workplace who are vegetarian. They always ask me to do a vegetarian dish for them. So this could be one of it, right? Alright. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. We're out.